Hi guys, welcome to our recording on the slide deck for religion. And before we start this unit, I think it's important to address that this can be a really cool unit. Our purpose here is to expose you to other religions and other beliefs that people have. And I think it's really important to mention that it's never our job to teach you what you should believe or what you should not believe, right? We are not using words of right or wrong or good or bad, right? No judgment. Just keep in mind that you might encounter beliefs that are different from your own. That's okay because that's the world. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. So religion. Our student-friendly language is for you, right, to be able to explain different religious ideas that shape and influence a culture. And many believe that religion helps answer the question, did you ever wonder what your purpose in life is? Monotheism or monotheistic? Monotheistic religions is the belief in one God only. Hint, mono means one. There are the three monotheistic religions are Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Polytheism or polytheistic. Polytheistic religions is the belief in more than one God. Hint, poly means many. The major polytheistic religion we'll learn about is Hinduism. Note, deities is another word for God. Non-theism or non-theistic. Non-theistic religions don't believe in any god, goddess, or being. Hint, non means none. The major non-theistic religion we'll learn about is Buddhism. Symbols of religions of the world. Judaism, Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, and Islam. Judaism. The leader or prophet is Abraham. Followers are Jews. This is a monotheistic religion, believe in one God. Teachings are the 10 Commandments. Sacred book is the Torah. Began in Israel. Important city, Jerusalem. Places of worship, synagogues or temples. Holidays, Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, and Hanukkah. Christianity. Leader or prophet is Jesus Christ. Followers are Christians. Monotheistic, believes in one God. Teachings, death and resurrection or rising from the dead of Jesus. Sacred book is Bible. Places of worship, churches. Began or sacred city, important cities, Jerusalem. Holidays, Christmas and Easter. Islam. Leader or prophet is Muhammad. Followers are Muslims. Beliefs, believes in the 5 pillars or rules of Islam. Monotheistic, believes in one God. Sacred book is the Quran. Important cities, Mecca and Jerusalem. Places of worship, mosque. Holidays, Ramadan, the Hajj. Hinduism. The leader or prophet, there is no single leader. Followers are Hindus. It is a polytheistic religion, many gods and many forms. Teachings, soul continues to be reborn through reincarnation and karma. Sacred book, the Vedas, began in India and is the oldest living religion. Places of worship, temples. Holidays, Diwali and Holi. Buddhism. Leader is Siddhartha Gautama or the Buddha. Non-theistic, so there's no god or goddess. Teachings, reincarnation, karma, nirvana, and enlightenment. Sacred book, the Tripitaka? I don't think I said that right. Places of worship, temples, mostly worshipped in East Asia. Tripitaka. Tripitaka. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. We should definitely learn it, though, after this. Okay, and that is the end of our religion slide deck. And if you're watching this like PISD, right, in Google Classroom, there should be a student slide deck for you to partake in all the different activities like collaboration boards and time to climb. Thank you so much for watching, y'all.